last time I talked to Dan about what he was going to do in the garage today, he said that he was going to do something with the satellite before our potential cruise later, because today is actually a Sunday. So normally, if it wasn't such yucky weather, there'd be a cruise. There might still be, I don't know, if the rain holds off, we might still go out in a boot for a bit, but here's the satellite with the hood open, and as you can hear, there's noise coming from the garage. So I don't know what he's doing right now, but we might as well go annoy him, right? I'm sure he'd love that. Oh, look at all the things. 1 screwdriver, 2 screwdriver, 3 screwdriver, 4 pliers.
All the right tools today.
Round thingies. Oh, what are you doing there?
Modifying the inner fender.
Oh yeah.
This is how I did it from the factory.
Well, it's summer, so he's got his safety flops on. So that's nice.
Safety sandals, baby. Well, that's hot.
Well, yeah, didn't you just create heat? Is it like just not fitting right? Is that the problem here?
There's many problems. Yeah.
1 of 10?
Well, I mean, I had to weld on the rocker, and then I think the thing was so rusty that I twisted up a little. I braced the hell out of it when I welded. This side doors just don't fit as nice as that side.
Okay.
Or I mean, this thing could have been in an accident at some point when it was a much younger car. So a little tweaking here and there, but I got all the doors opening and closing.
Ooh.
Didn't really do that before. All the windows work.
Wow, so this thing's like really coming together here.
Getting there, yeah.
How much longer?
Are you one of them?
Yeah.
What's the next project?
Well, what is the next project? How much longer? Where are the dogs?
Fix the fender.
Gosh, would you just fix the fender?
Piece.
This thing needs to get polished again.
Polish the paint. Yeah.
You know what? You don't deserve these cars.
I really don't.
You hack.
I'm going to disagree with a lot of these words.
I do like how we can tell, hold on, turn around again, turn around, walk the catwalk. I like how you can see, no, stay, I'm showing an example. I like that you can see, like, where you're sitting on the creeper, because there's, like, the dirt lines, and then it's decently clean.
Sorry, man. The garage was so clean. There's the amount of dirt that comes out of these cars. It's unbelievable. Like, I cleaned the, all the junk out of the frame rails. Just packed stuff.
Yuck.
And, like I took the door apart, and, like, I swept up half, like, look at all the junk that, like, leaves and stuff inside the door.
Yeah, that's...
Like, that's why these old cars rust out. There's 50-year-old leaves that collect moisture, and they rust from the inside out.
You gotta check your door jams.
And you gotta take them all apart, yeah. It's time-consuming. Is it still raining outside or not too bad?
No, it's not too bad. How come the satellite hood is up?
I don't know. I was gonna do something there, wasn't I?
You've been saying that for 2 days and then keep forgetting what you were supposed to do.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
There was some kind of sound in the front.
The front end was making noise, that's right. Yeah, I was gonna jack it up. Maybe after I finish this, I will want the weather strip on this. What time is it? Like 4:35?
It's 5 o'clock.
I gotta make a little bit of noise.
Wait, what are you doing?
Grinding?
But like, why are you doing this?
to make this hole a little more holy.
Aw. Did it work?
Well, the hole doesn't work. Let's make the circle bigger. Hey, where's my other gloves? You borrowed them yesterday and never gave them back, and I feel like Michael Jackson now.
Can you give us a little hee-hee?
Oh.
Oh. It should be on the hot tub.
Oh.
In the rain.
Right.
Right where I left it. Or Frankie ate it.
Wet, soggy gloves, that's what I want.
Who doesn't like a good wet, soggy glove?
I'm not a huge fan of them.
Well, you're missing out, my friend.
We're not friends.
I know, we're... lovers. I love saying it that way. Mostly because you hate it. Lover. Okay, well, I guess I'll leave you to suffer. So, enjoy. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Yes.
I've noticed many more tools have come out.
Okay, a little massaging. Salt clearance. Our oven's racing.
What? What does that even mean?
Mickey Bobby. Perfect. Ish.
Perfect-ish enough for Dee Speech Up.
That's right.
Well, that's all that really matters.
Yeah.
Win.